All right, we're here on an apartment tour on Seminary Street. We're going to take a look at this 2-bedroom right by Wrigley Field. So we come in this way and you kind of come in, and this is a living room. So we'll come back, and when you first come in, you see the bedroom. This is bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 right here. It's got a closet over there. And plenty of room for a king-size bed. There's another closet here in the hallway. Here's the bathroom. Then we'll go back over here by the living room and we'll see the other bedroom. There's one nice window. They've got the blinds down, but it's very bright in this apartment. And here's bedroom 2. There's another closet here. And then there's a closet in this room. And this is bedroom 2. So they have a full-size bed in here. We'll come back out and we'll take another look at the living room. This is the living room, and here's the kitchen. It's got white cabinets, got dishwasher, countertop, stove, lots of counter space in here, dishwasher, refrigerator, and then we'll come on out here and we'll see the back porch. So there's a back porch right here, and you can step up here, and this is where you can sit right here. Enjoy Wrigley Field, just off there to a block away. The laundry room is downstairs there, and it's just great to live in Wrigleyville here on Seminary Street in this 2-bedroom apartment.